automatic horizontal steel rebar production line. Whole set of equipment consists of induction melting furnace. Billet casting. The sorted and treated scrap steel is transported to the melting furnace by the electromagnetic sucker. The medium-frequency induction melting furnace melts the metal quickly. Medium-frequency furnace using the Internet of Things technology can realize remote control, remote maintenance, remote fault processing, a full set of equipment to achieve the full digital system, simple installation, no debugging. The induction melting furnace is composed of transformer, medium-frequency power supply, furnace body, tilting furnace control system, and cooling system. The furnace body can be one or one for use and one for three. Continuous casting machine is continuous casting. The steel billet out of the CCM used a hydraulic metal shear or flame cutter to cut the required lengths. The finished steel billet can be directly into the cooling bed cooling stacking or enter the induction heating furnace to 1000